have you ever made a candy bar before?
That's what we're getting ready to do here at Hershey's Chocolate World.
All right, let's head to the chocolate factory. We made it to Chocolate World. It's massive. People love their chocolate. We have a reservation to make our own candy bar.
I'm excited. So I don't know what to expect. Melissa told me about it. So I don't know if it's just chocolate, I don't know if it's peanut butter.
This one's chocolate because they have two experiences. The Reese's one you don't need a reservation for. The make your own custom candy bar you do. So we're gonna make our own custom Hershey bar.
I think we found the right place. Create your own candy bar. Now accepting 4 o'clock ticket times. That's us. They've given us our hairnets and our aprons.
Oh my gosh.
They're serious about this. Put your apron on. You gotta do this official here. All right, let's do this. All right, my hairnet on.
Fabulous.
This back on.
Looking good.
Oh, it's gotta go over the hat. I can do that too. So we'll go just like that. How's that? This. Oh yeah.
Oh boy.
I like it. I like it.
Oh my gosh.
I feel like if we're gonna go make a chocolate candy bar that's custom, we're doing it right, we're doing it proper. So it's gonna ask you your name. Are we doing it? Yes, I am. Oh, now we're gonna go design the candy bar.
Are you ready to create your own candy bar? Yes, please. Milk chocolate, dark chocolate, or white chocolate? Milk, please. Choose up to 3 inclusions. Butterscotch chips, semi-sweet chocolate chips, vanilla chips, Heath toffee bits, pretzel bits, or chocolate cookie bits.
Decisions.
Yes, please. Butterscotch, Heath, oh no. Okay, hold on.
Enrobed in milk chocolate.
Oh yes. Oh, there it goes. There's my milk chocolate bar.
All right, now it's my turn. Hello, Wes. Hello there. Milk chocolate, butterscotch, Heath, and pretzels.
Okay.
I think that looks good.
Are you sure? Final answer?
Final answer. Do you want sprinkles? I don't want sprinkles. Let's do it. Enter the factory to start your candy bar. All right. You smell that chocolate?
I smell chocolate.
Oh my gosh. Melissa went back to the computer. She wanted to add sprinkles to hers, but we're waiting in line here. Look at this chocolate that's poured in here. This is melted milk chocolate. Yum. This is where the magic happens. So we're gonna scan these little cards, and then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna be able to watch our chocolate bar get made.
I can't wait, I'm so excited.
Look, Melissa B. Cooking it up with the toffee. All right, now this should be mine. Yep. Look at that. Gotta have the toffee. Did you get vanilla chips?
I did. Guys, oh, I love vanilla chips.
Okay, we're getting pretzels now. Oh, look at the butterscotch chips. All right, Melissa's candy bar is about to come through the chocolate waterfall here. Wow.
Oh, there it is.
Here comes mine.
Look at how milky smooth that chocolate. It's like in a perfect pattern. Just melting there.
Here comes Melissa's out of the sprinkler machine.
My chocolate's cooling down.
While your candy bar is going through the cooling cone, you have to go to the packaging design studio and you get to design what your wrapper is going to look like.
This might be the hardest part. I don't know.
That's
Here
very
we go.
nice. I like that.
All right.
That's pretty cool. Look, there it is right there. My name.
Thank you.
Right here.
Yay, we got our candy bars.
I love your label. That looks really good. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, you kind of can. It's like this really cool, like
Paisley
swirly
almost,
paisley
yeah.
background.
It comes in a nice tin, and then your little candy bar is right inside there. See, create your own candy bar.
That's so cool. And you got a little keepsake.
Yeah.
Now I heard you say earlier, you're like, you don't want to eat it.
I don't want to eat it now. I want to go home and just freeze it and never eat it.
I'm gonna eat mine probably before we leave Hershey. There we go.
This is Wes's candy bar.
I think technically it's incorrect because if it's Wes's, it should just be Wes apostrophe and no S. That's okay. We need to go explore now. There is a whole bunch of retail here, and I'm sure there's gonna be some shirts and maybe some other swag for the house that we might want.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And there's also some sort of like ride that you can go through that tells you about the whole chocolate making process. So we're gonna go explore.
Build your own chocolate bars at Reese's. Stuff your cup. You can see how big these are. Check these bad boys out. They're huge. They are massive. You can fill it up with 4 toppings. There's the peanut butter. So they stuff this thing with scoops full of peanut butter. But here's all your toppings. You got all kinds of toppings that you could stuff your Reese's with. Do you want to make your own Reese's cup?
I think I'm good. I think I'm good on chocolate.
Okay. Inside Chocolate World, they have a huge food court. They've got beer, cocktails, mac and cheese, milkshakes, pizzas, tacos. But we decided to enjoy a giant pretzel with 3 dipping sauces. You've got your spicy mustard, you've got a chocolate dipping sauce, and you can upgrade to the cheese sauce if you'd like. And then I got the Jolly Rancher Rum Punch. She said it's one of their most popular cocktails. It's got some Jolly Rancher gummies on top. They mix it with like their mango, fruit punch, and cherry Jolly Rancher syrups, and then add orange juice, pineapple juice, and rum. So cheers. That's really good. That's a good rum punch. You're gonna like this.
Awesome.
You're gonna have to try this.
Okay, all right.
You're gonna really like it.
All right.
I saw a lot of people walking around with one of these, so I was like, you know what? We've got to try one. We love pretzels. Ooh, it's nice and warm.
That
it's
looks
soft on the inside.
Yeah.
Look at that. You know what? We're in Chocolate World, so I'm gonna dip it. This is different in the sweet chocolate sauce, as if I haven't had enough chocolate today. That's different because you got the salty pretzel and then you got the sweet chocolate Hershey chocolate sauce. Pretzel's okay. It's a good pretzel. Isn't it anything special? Not really. But the dipping sauce, that's where it's at.
And I got just a regular good old Hershey's chocolate milkshake. It's got Hershey bar in it with whipped cream and a little bit of a Hershey syrup drizzle.
Matches your shirt.
Yes, it does. They had a bunch of other types of milkshakes over there. They had cookies and cream, they had Reese's peanut butter cup, and a couple others like a classic vanilla, but I just wanted the regular Hershey's chocolate.
That must be really good.
We were in the park this morning. We worked up a sweat. It's hot out, it's humid. This is a really good refresher, and it's tasty. Oh, yes, that's really good. I'm happy.
There's also a lot of unique like Hershey items in here. Like I saw some fancier milk chocolate covered almonds or dark chocolate covered almonds, and I think there was a special Kit Kat bar somewhere. And I think that's probably gonna have to come home with us. But there's a lot of unique items here at Chocolate World that I don't think you can get at most other places.
Now that we've got our sweet fix on, it's time to do some shopping.
Time to do some shopping. Oh, payday. Oh, look, now only $1. King-size bars.
Well, depending on how much shopping we do, we might need a payday. This sign back here says like world's largest Hershey store. And there is a ton of chocolate everywhere. Look at all these. Look at it. You got chocolate over here. Hershey's golden almond milk chocolate.
I have some of those in my cart already. My basket. Hershey popcorn, Hershey everything, every Hershey syrup, the world's largest Jolly Rancher.
Oh my God.
The world's
look at
longest Twizzlers.
Look at
Ooh,
these.
we should get some of these.
It's like a Costco for Hershey's chocolate here.
Does this look familiar?
Okay, is this the 5-pound bar?
Yes.
Melissa got me a 5-pound Hershey bar. She had it shipped from here, and I think it came in dry ice.
It did.
We're gonna have to find some footage of that and drop it in to the video somewhere.
It actually took us so long to chop up this Hershey bar. It's like 5 pounds of chocolate. It is massive. It's so thick. I'm gonna warn you right now, You probably need to like warm up your knife when you cut into this thing because it's huge and it's really hard to do that.
I was about ready to go get my axe out of the garage.
We'll put some footage in there of this.
The cool thing about it was we were able to vacuum seal it and we put it in the freezer, and I think it took us about 6-7 months to eat all the chocolate. We're not gonna take another 5-pound with us because we flew up here. Honestly, I don't need that much chocolate. My doctor would probably shoot me.
And your dentist.
My dentist would probably shake my hand and say, thank you, now I can retire early.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. You can also get your full-size, largest Kit Kat
Oh my God.
and 2.5-pound cup Reese's.
Okay, this isn't a package. This Reese cup right here, this isn't like a package with small Reese cups. I can feel they are big, giant Reese cups. It is a good thing that we flew here because if we had driven here in my truck, we would have had big problems.
They also have giant-sized kisses.
Oh my gosh, you could wear it as a hat. Check it out over here. They've got these trees in this like little jungle area in the middle of the store, and it's a cocoa bean tree. I think we need one in the front yard.
I don't know if they do well in Florida, though.
Well, it's a tropical climate.
Chocolate frosted donut, Kit Kats.
So
What?
are you gonna take a case or are you just gonna get a couple?
Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever seen these anywhere. Hello. This was made for me.
Look at this, we got mix and match. We got these big Reese cup boxes. We got Rolos, Mr. Goodbar, whatchamacallit, Standard Hershey's, Hershey Dark, Hershey with almonds, cookies and cream, York, Almond Joy, Mounds.
If it was Halloween time, this is where I would come to get my candy for the kids in the neighborhood. Right over here is the Nibby Coffee. This is a fan favorite. It's hiding over here behind the food court. You've got chocolate truffle and original. They have plant-based chocolate here. So they have Hershey's and also Reese's. We grabbed a few of these. I've never seen the Reese's in a store, but I have seen the just the regular Hershey chocolate bar at Publix. So I'm gonna grab some of these Reese's.
All right, here we go, Hershey's chocolate tour.
Thank you.
All right, hey look, there's Milton. Milton Hershey.
Hi, Milton.
So this is like up on the second floor and it's supposed to be like a little ride that tells you about chocolate making. So I'm gonna pay close attention. It takes 270 beans to make 1 pound of chocolate. Look at that, we get the peanut butter cup car.
They got a surprise waiting for you after you get off the ride.
Wow, you have the best job ever. Thank you.
What'd you just get there?
I'm eating it right now. So right before we went on the chocolate tour, the ride, Melissa had a basket full of stuff and she set it down outside. Now we get outside of the ride and her basket is gone. So she's having to go along and get everything in her basket again. Behind me is a bunch of Hershey's merch. You've got shirts, hoodies, pants, socks, underwear, pretty much everything you would want with the Hershey name on it. They've got it here. Check this out, this is kind of cool. You got Hershey's boxer shorts, and this caught my eye earlier. It's a giant Hershey syrup bank right there. All right, let's go find Melissa and see if she's made it to checkout. Chocolate World has been a lot of fun. If you guys come check it out, I would highly recommend at least a couple hours to see everything and do all the experiences. She did some shopping. We hope you guys have enjoyed, and if you want to see more Hershey content from our trip up here, make sure to check out one of the links that's floating around on the screen here, and we'll see you there.
No, I don't want to leave. More chocolate. More chocolate.
You've had so much chocolate already.
Not enough.